Allow me say this. You only get intimidated when you compare yourself with others. The minute you stand on this side and you compare yourself with another boy or with another girl, you'll only feel intimidated the minute you want to compare yourself with someone else. Comparison is the thief of all joy. And some of us have been unable to rise to the top because we feel the things we are lacking. Let me tell you something, my daughter. Let me tell you something, my son. Even if you come from a poor background, your mother picks tea and she wakes up every morning at 5 to pick tea. By 5, she's up. By 7, 8, she's wet up to her chest. She's been picking tea for you to go through Kisii High School. And then you come here, meet some nobodies from Nairobi. They begin to intimidate you. And you cannot perform. Because you're wondering, why was I born in Nyacheki? Why couldn't my parents move to Nairobi? And probably your mother is a widow. Your father died long time when you were 2 years old. She has struggled with all of you. She can't even afford anything beyond school fees. Beyond school fees, she can only give you soap to come to school. Yes. Ama kuna shule hapa watoto wa shule wananunua chakula. In fact, I don't see why kids in high school should be given pocket money. Ya nini? For what? For what? For what? Now that you're given, enjoy while it lasts. Utamaliza hapa form 4 tutakutana nje. I see which parent will give you pocket money. Enjoy while it does what? It lasts. Out here life is cold. Out here no one cares. No one. So as you come to school, you get intimidated, you feel so low. You cannot perform. You're wondering, what is wrong with where I come from? Listen to me carefully. In this world, no one cares about you. Only Christ cares about you. I'm repeating. In this world, no one cares about you. Only Christ cares about you. In this world, no one cares that you are an orphan. No one cares that your father died. In fact, no one cares that your father is an absent father. No one cares that you come from a home where your mother gave birth to you with different men. No one cares. Here you cannot bring your story and say I am disadvantaged. In this life, you are your own rescue. You better rise up to the occasion and redefine life for yourself. This life, no one even cares that you are a widow. If even government cared that there are widows, there would be unga 2 kgs for widows. Is it true or false? Yes. If people cared that you are a widow or an orphan, you'd be having your school fees subsidized. But you pay like the others pay. So that is not a story to bring to the table. You look at your life, it is you to redefine that life because nobody cares.